Wii as an example. Let's say Nintendo Wii in stock, a little more narrow keyword phrase. This is the title tag, which I'm going to address here in a moment. This is the title tag, and so you could just type in your main niche, and all your competitors will come up, and you can look at their title tags to identify keywords they are using. The blue clickable part is your title tag. So let's just jump right down here to the presentation. And then you can also go to ezinearticles.com. It's an article directory, and browse through your category and look at the titles of the articles and look at what keyword phrases they're using in the titles. Because most of the time they will have done some of their research. But like I said, you can use the AdWords tool to identify some keyword phrases. So I'm going to keep going. I tried to keep this content down, but there is so much to cover with SEO. So remember plurals and synonyms like auto parts, car parts, automobile parts. Keep in mind merged and hyphenated words, even misspellings. Like I said, plurals and synonyms, like when I was saying car part or car parts, those would be different. Add keyword modifiers to your keywords. So things like buy Nintendo Wii, cheap pet supplies, best price Motorola. Those are all some indicators and examples of modifying keyword phrases. Like buy Nintendo Wii, that means they want a Nintendo Wii. Find Tulsa chiropractor. Find Chicago lawyer, find Los Angeles realtor, things like that. Add those keyword modifiers to your keywords, or add them into your keyword research tool and see if there's actually traffic for them. And so let's just jump over here. Looks like this similar slide. Okay, so next we have on-page search engine optimization. So at this point, you should have identified your main keyword phrases that you are going to go after. And I'm going to step you through the on-page process. One very, very important factor is title tags. Another important thing to consider is using your meta tags on your site. And the next very important strategy is your header tags within your site. And then we're going to cover your internal link structure, your URL structure, the links on your site, and the structure of your actual content. So here is the title tags that I'm going to talk about here. Title tags are very important, like I showed you in Google. It's the number one factor. They're the single most important on-page ranking factor out there. You should really, really take this to heart. This part to heart. If you take this into action this week and Google picks up the results you do, just by accident, you'll start seeing an improvement in your search results. A lot of sites make the mistake of having their title tag read very random things like home, or it might say untitled, or their title tag isn't related. Their title tag might even just have their business name, which that doesn't do a business any good to have your title tag up there. You need to have keyword phrases. And a lot of businesses say, but I need that for branding. Well, put it at the end of your title tag, because if they know your business name, you already have them as a customer. You're in business and you're doing SEO to get new customers. So make sure you put your pride aside and go for your keyword phrases in your title tag. You need to have your keyword phrases. I cannot emphasize that. I'm very passionate about title tag part, because you cannot get by with SEO and you will not see an improvement in your search engine rankings if you do not focus on this factor. It's very important. It's near essential. It's a very essential part of search engine optimization. So now when you're looking at the code on on a particular page, this is what it's going to look like. And I'll show you here what I'm talking about here. If I were to pull up, let's just say a random site here. So I pull up this website right here as an example, and I go to view and I do page source. So notice I just did the search view and page source. You will notice here, right here, title, it's got their main keyword phrase, Nintendo Wii Tracker, find Nintendo Wii in stock. So notice they're using the keyword phrase Nintendo Wii Tracker because people were trying to track Nintendo Wiis when they were hard to find. So that was their main keyword phrase. And then Nintendo Wii in stock, that's a secondary keyword phrase they're trying to go for. Nintendo Wii in stock online, that's another long tail keyword phrase. You notice how they're using their title tag. And this, when you're inside of your web editor, like it might be a standard basic web editor, like there's some free ones called NVU. Some more common ones used are Front Page or Dreamweaver. And you click on the code view section of your website, you are going to see right inside the code view of your website, you will see the title the title tag. It would be between this wording, title, T-I-T-L-E, with carets on the left and carets on the right, and then there's going to be another set that says title, but this one at the end is going to have a forward slash. And so inside that tag, that's where you write your keyword phrase in there. And oftentimes, by default, they will just call that tag, like untitled one or something like that. So that's something for you to keep in mind.